everyone knows Nice for its stunning beaches and glamorous promenade. But today, I'm taking you beyond the tourist spots to show you three hidden gems only locals know about. Let's go off the beaten path in the French Riviera. First up, Castle Hill, or Collene du Château. Most tourists take the main stairs, but locals use this hidden back entrance near Rue Rossetti. It's quieter and leads to this unbelievable panoramic view over the city and the Mediterranean, perfect for a peaceful sunrise or sunset moment. Next is Place Garibaldi, a less touristy square where locals hang out. It's surrounded by historic architecture and cozy cafes. I grabbed a coffee at Café de Turenne, known for oysters and fresh seafood. It's way more chill than the old town crowds. And the people watching? On point. Last, we've got Coco Beach. No, not the sandy tourist beaches. This one's rocky, wild, and mainly known by locals. The water here is crystal clear, and it's perfect for cliff diving or just relaxing without the crowds. Nice has so much more to offer than just the usual spots. These hidden gems gave me a whole new perspective, and I hope they do the same for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more offbeat travel guides. Catch you in the next adventure.